Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moni and I just want to quickly unbox the things I bought from Temu. It came quite early. I ordered this about a week ago and I wasn't expecting it anytime soon, only for me to hear the doorbell ring this morning and it was my items. So I want to open it right now. I'm excited about the things that are inside. They are not much. I think we have just about 3 things inside. Can you please get me the scissors? We're in Christmas season. So yesterday or a few days ago, I unboxed our Christmas items. This is a leather sticker. The bath tools I got from Facebook Marketplace the other day. The leather is beginning to tear, it's beginning to wear out. So I decided to buy all this leather sticker that has
What is that? For what? Something for what?
Okay, it's black. It's for the chair, the bath tools.
The chair.
So I'm excited about this. I'm going to show you how we will use it. This is what it looks like.
Oh, it is black. What do you say?
So one of the disadvantages of buying things from Facebook Marketplace is that they get spoiled easily. But since we are not ready to buy any bath tool anytime soon, so we decided to cover it up with that leather sticker.
Can I show you?
Why do you want to show you my video?
Yeah.
Why do you want to show you my video? So I bought 2. Then I bought this jumpsuit. I'm going to show you what it looks like because I'm going to wear it now. We are going out to my hubby's friend's house. They just moved into their new house and yes, they just moved into their new house and we want to go and pay them a visit. So I'm going to wear this jumpsuit and this new jacket. I bought this jacket just now.
Is it Oba's house?
We're going to your daddy's friend's house. You know that boy that did birthday that day?
Yeah.
That's what I think so. They just bought a new house.
When I said happy birthday.
So the house that they had before is not for them.
It's for them. They moved into a bigger house.
Mommy.
So I got this
Do we know this place?
wall frame. Actually, I want to put it on my bathroom wall. So then I bought these
The people say you only bought 3 things.
stickers. I'll show you where the stickers will go. They are going to go on the
Outside.
on the transparent doors.
What about the wall?
I've been seeing these stickers on people's walls and I really love it.
I saw it in that place that we saw the Christmas tree. Is it not true?
Then this night I mistakenly bought it though.
Good.
I was going to pick another one that has trousers and top.
This one is good.
I wanted to add this as an extra in my cart. I didn't know that I've already paid for it. So that's all I ordered today. So this is what the jumpsuit looks like. It's somehow loose on my body, but it's okay. I bought a size 12. Maybe I should have bought a size 10 instead.
Well, this one is good.
Yeah, it's good. I'm even wearing the leggings inside.
Follow the scissors.
So I'm wearing the leggings inside. Who does know my phone? Then my new jacket. Am I looking good?
Stop. You know what playing with.
I'm working today. I don't know how they did the timetable this week. My work hours falls in the afternoon. I start in the midday, and I'm also going to be finishing early. My husband went for school. So guys, I'm running a hot shower, but I need to clean this place. I don't know, this is the first time I'll be sharing bathroom with my kids ever since they've been born. Back in Nigeria, my house help is always cleaning my bathroom, all the bathroom in the house, twice every 2 days. But here there's no house help, so the way I clean my bathroom, because I get irritated very easily, the way I clean my bathroom is anytime I come into the bathroom, I don't think I want to use this.
No, I know where's my teddy bear. Is this right here?
What's it there?
Me.
So anytime I come into the bathroom, I just try and clean up. I don't know, I've been teaching my kids how to be clean, because they mess up the whole place and leave everywhere dirty. Well, my eldest son is improving, but just that once in a while you have to remind him to clean up. He's going into a man, so he should know how to do house chores. So this place is clean enough. The toilet too is clean because I washed it when I used it this morning. So that this done is clean. I'll clean it later, but I need to go and shower. So what else do I need to do? This is coconut oil. So I do this every morning because I use coconut oil on my face and my hair. I put coconut oil on my face before I take a shower. It leaves my skin moisturized, and I bought this coconut oil from Nigeria. It's organic coconut oil, 100% coconut oil. Water is not hot. little bit. I rub on my face this way. And the reason why I do this is because I react to coconut oil. The only way I won't react to it is when I put it on my face for a while, then wash it off after a while. So it will still soak into my skin and moisturize the skin and my pores. So if you don't react to coconut oil, you can use it after you take a shower. But for me, this is how I prep my skin before going into the shower. Then after I take a shower, I'm so shy. I'm so shy. I'm so shy. I look like something else. Okay guys, let me quickly take a shower, then I will see you later. Yeah, let's see.
Eh?
Let's see what you drew.
Eh? Do you like it?
It's beautiful. So what did you draw? Is this a lion?
Eh?
Is this a lion?
No.
What's that?
Scrap trap.
Scrap trap. Who taught you how to draw it?
Nobody.
Nobody, or you're watching it from YouTube?
Watching it on YouTube.
But it's beautiful.
And I now pause it.
Don't worry, I'll buy you paper and plenty marker so that you'll be drawing.
I can take one from...
Are you sure you're the one that drew this, or is Isaac?
It's me.
Okay.
I can take from school.
You can take from school?
Marker and paper.
Does the teacher know that you take marker from school? Okay. Yeah, go and draw another one. Go and draw another one. I want to wrap Christmas gifts. I bought some Christmas gifts for my friends and my sister, and I'm also expecting some online shopping things I bought last week. I think it's coming in today, so if it comes early, I will wrap it and put them under the Christmas tree. I finally have the courage to show you guys what my hair looks like. I always wash it once in a week, and I like it when it looks this way, but I give it 1 hour. When the hair is dry, everything is going to look very, very hard. I need to buy leave-in conditioner. The one I use is finished. So guys, see you later. So hi guys, today is another day. I will soon be out in about an hour's time. We are taking the kids out to see Santa and to take pictures with Santa. Although I didn't book any appointment for today because I got discouraged. Someone told me that she tried booking a date for her kids and all the dates were fully booked. So, but my sister said we can just walk into any mall and find Santa and pay to snap pictures with Santa. So that's exactly what we are going to be doing today. So when my husband closes from work, we'll head out, and we'll also have some things to buy at the mall.